Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I had a rug that I needed to freshen up just a little bit. There was some stains on it. So I tried Sunny and Honey Carpet Miracle, and let me tell you about it. First, when you open it, the scent was so delightful. It really smells like true lavender, but it is not overpowering. And once you dilute it, it really is just a very faint smell where you just get whiffs of it in your carpet. So it's really nice because you don't get that overwhelmingly strong chemical smell. So the rug wasn't super dirty. It just had a few little stains and a few places where it was just worn from being in front of our couch. But after using this, it was very easy to use, and those stains were bright red, and so there is a tiny hint of them left, but they are so much better. It was very easy to use. You can use different amounts depending on how dirty your carpet is. The consistency is really nice. It's not a thick, soapy, sticky feeling. It's just a little bit thicker than water. So you add that, and that rug that I didn't think was dirty, this is disgusting, right? That came out of that rug. This is our bedroom carpet. Also super embarrassing. My husband spilt black paint in it, and it's one of those things that I just want new carpet, so I've been ignoring the problem. But I thought, hey, I might as well try it. And if you look, do you see how dirty that water is? So gross. This really made me realize how nasty our carpet is, and I want to rip it up even more. I filled so many buckets of this dirty water, but it makes me feel much better that I got all of that dirt up thanks to Sunny and Honey's Carpet Miracle. And that's my point of view.